Hi, thanks for tuning in. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how to set up and use NordVPN. I'll show you how to install VPN client and how to use it on iOS and Windows devices. Okay, to set up your NordVPN, go to nordvpn.com/download, where you will be able to download all versions for all available devices. I'm on Windows, so I'll press download and run the .exe file. If you're on iOS, iPhone or iPad, download the application from the App Store and run it from there. When everything is installed, open the application and you'll be prompted to the sign-in screen. So once you download the NordVPN client for Windows, open the application and you'll be prompted to the login screen. If you don't have the account already, make sure you sign up, or if you have one, log in right now. Like that. Now, when you're signed in, you will be prompted with this screen. Here is the map of the all locations. For example, United States, Australia, India, Israel, Greece, Serbia, and that. Now if you want to quick connect to your country, press quick connect and you will find the best server for your country. Or if you want to connect manually, you can connect manually to any location. For example, now I'm connecting to India, to Indian servers, like that. Also, you can see at the bottom of your taskbar there will be an icon beeping when you're connecting to a country, and it will be green when you're connected, and there will be no visual effects while you're not connected. So as you can see, it says I'm protected and connected to India, and this is my new IP address. If I want to disconnect, I'll press the disconnect button. You have some few settings on the home screen too. Here you can search for servers, for example India again, and you'll be prompted with the servers. Then you have the specialty servers. Basically you'll be connected to the fastest. For default you'll be connected to any country and serve the fastest, which you can also select. You also have Onion or VPN, which is the VPN with the Tor. Double VPN, you'll be connected to the 2 VPN locations and the dedicated IP VPN. You can also select countries from this dropdown. Now let's move on to the settings page. Here you can see the current version of the VPN and if you're running the latest version. The first option here is the CyberSec. This will avoid ads and protect your security from malware, phishing and other threats. It works similarly as like when your antivirus blocks a site. Then you can set the auto connect and to which country you want the VPN to auto connect on when you start up the application. You can also select to launch NordVPN on startup, and here's the important setting of the NordVPN, the internet kill switch. If you're not connected, if this setting is enabled, you will not be able to connect to the internet if the VPN is not enabled. You can also toggle invisibility on LAN network. If someone is doing the LAN search, they will not be able to see your computer. Then there is a subcategory of the internet kill switch, and that's the app kill switch. This means that only the specific application you select will not be able to work without a VPN connection. You can also select notifications when you connect and disconnect from NordVPN, and you can also choose to start the app minimized. Then you can pop in the advanced settings. I highly don't recommend playing with those if you don't know what you're doing. This protocol is basically depends on which protocol you need. It's mostly advised by the customer support. I suggest that you use UDP protocols because of security and speed. You can also set custom DNS. This is if you purchase your custom dedicated IP on your servers. If you are watching this video from restricted locations such as China, you will need to tick these settings so you will be able to connect and bypass the China firewall. If you're anytime the customer support asks you for the diagnostics, make sure you run the diagnostics tool like that, and the diagnostics will be collected for you. The second feature here is your account. you will see here from when you're a user and to when your subscription is valid. You can also check your password and check the email with which your account is associated. If you need any help, you can press the Help Center button or log out from the account. This video has been partnered with NordVPN, the best VPN for keeping your online activity secure. Currently we are running promotions ranging up to 75% discounts with their service. To get these deals, visit the link below, and by clicking that, you support the development of these free tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, and check out some of the other tutorials here.